Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something truly remarkable to share with you: the Colossal Foot rasp foot file and callus remover. This incredible tool is a game-changer when it comes to pedicure and callus removal. Stick around, and we'll dive deep into what makes it the best in the business. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's take a closer look at the Colossal Foot rasp itself. It's not just any foot file. It's a surgical-grade stainless steel file designed for both wet and dry use. The large yet lightweight design ensures ease of use and delivers quick, amazing smoothness to your feet. Now, let's talk about the key features that make this product stand out from the rest. The Colossal Foot rasp is the perfect solution for dry, calloused, and cracked heels. It works wonders, giving you soft, fancy feet with minimal effort. You can use it on both wet and dry foot surfaces, allowing you to choose the method that suits you best. It's all about your preference and satisfaction. Made of surgical-grade stainless steel, this tool is built to last. Say goodbye to flimsy foot files that wear out quickly. While it's a powerful tool, using it gently and following the manufacturer's directions will give you the best results. Rickens stands behind its product, offering a stress-free 30-day money-back guarantee. That's confidence in quality. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what some satisfied customers have to say about the Colossal Foot rasp. Customers have raved about the effectiveness of this foot file, how it removes dead skin and calluses, leaving their feet smooth and fresh. They appreciate its large surface area and comfortable handle, making it easy to use. Now, let me show you how easy it is to use the Colossal Foot rasp for your pedicure. Start by gently gliding the foot rasp over the dry, calloused areas of your feet. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's directions and use minimal pressure to avoid any discomfort. But wait, there's more. You can take your foot care to the next level by considering these additional products. Lee Beauty Professional Callus Remover Extra Strength Gel for Feet. This gel complements the foot rasp, providing you with an at-home pedicure solution. Meriton Foot Pumice Stone. A pack of 4 stones to scrub away hard skin and calluses effectively. In conclusion, the Colossal Foot rasp foot file and callus remover is a must-have in your foot care arsenal. Its effectiveness, versatility, and durability make it the best pedicure callus removal tool on the market. Say goodbye to rough, dry feet, and hello to smooth, fancy feet. If you're ready to experience the difference, don't hesitate to click the link in the description below to get your very own Colossal Foot rasp. And remember, your satisfaction is guaranteed with Rickens' 30-day money-back guarantee. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. Until next time, happy pampering, and stay tuned for more exciting reviews coming your way.